exactly how it's supposed to be. If God ever answered my prayers, it's when I asked for you. Gave me heaven on earth, that's what I had with you. I take my hat off for the way we.
Je was a true broer, leader van die new school, chosen I like choose you. There will never be a new you. There will never be a new you. Je was a true broer, leader van die new school, chosen Lord choose you. There will never be a new you. There will never be a new you.
Yo, zie. Zampi ko bibidi sa nikakaw. Kan hij video delete in het flash nou. Gaan gooien daar die kanalen, want ik ben al klaar man. Is klaar man. Yes, ja. Nee man, ik speel maar net samen met de guys man. Ik weet jullie is kwijt. But anyways, check gooien. Nou, ik is aan slim in de pin, man, extra shady. Jij kan niet visie, kan niet verhuilen. Ik is aan blessed, nou kan niet wel fade. Kijk, je weet van de Weezy, kan niet verdwijnen niet. Zij zien mijn lijn niet. Beyoncé level, nou Kanye West van de East compare. Maar in de beter dan zit, maar dat is niet fair. Want kijk, ik bully die ouwens, maar gewoon een challenge. En dat is me lang geen aankost. Ik denk met zin en strijd om mijn game te facen. Die pappen zijn aan mij verdwijs. Want ik ken het in de duizend ways. En ik speel bij de dingen af voor 1000 days. Gaat er niet op Facebook page. Gaan kom in mijn face to face. Maar ik weet dat je kan niet van je samen net een pussy play. Nu dacht ik comments in voor die compliments. Ik is de dominant als ik al honest is. Ik is die ene wat altijd befokkend zijn koppen is. Ik ga niet op because jullie astonishes. Die zei confidence baas wat ik get is over die hits like damn flights. Alle gatekeepers, guests like DC of fair fight. Maak maar die beer guy neers dice en ik ken slice. Die stept in mij. Zet je bij je vandaag in je plek en zei van X in de major league. Overtake voor de beat en de mannen zei ik compete. Maar ik zeg het zo brief. Dat alles wat ik doe is voor die mensen om mijn plekken zo zeker te zeggen. Want tot de beter dat ze komen van jou. En dan zeker dit is klaar defeated. Better believe it. Ja. En by the way. Mijn naam is JT Altemador. Die double it sim. Die hip-hop messenger. Ja.
Ja, check het. As JT. Voor jou hou ik onderste boer. En vouw ik jou op in de shape van een tweeën. Chop ik jou op, slice jou in two. Zij is like wie? Die mensen zeggen you. Nou, die man zijn bijnaam is Petty. En hij het gedang is 5% cool to himself zien in die burger. Well, I've got news for you. Als jij like van landstijd boxes en net slices for you, your bloody will fool. So zij is een loonzager. En zij schrijft het op het check. Want je liegt van je kenny. Van hoe de hel doen je hij shit en je eet in zijn penny. Ga nou weer gaan shout at the top of your lungs, bloody P.I.P.I. Nou het sy nie een stamina. Wat betekent dat net soos hy skill hom za en die government verdwijn jou stamina. As die man nog eenmaal homself een goat noem, dan gaan ek hom wys wat Jesus saam met die goat doen. Skei hy goat van die skape, sit hy goat daar een kant van die ape. Jy kan sien die man is vol kak, lyk het om gat verstop met een geestelike guava. Is mense soos sy wat op my huid en nog steeds comment op elke post van my, want sy is een social media baba. Sy hou vir jou kwaai, maar sy lyk soos iemand wat geïmport is van Ghana. Die beter is klaar, man.
Yo, it's D-Dog, D-Dog the GOAT, pra. Your favorite white boy reactor from the buy, and you know what it is. We in tune with another banger for the books. And we got no one other than the main haunt, the main OG from back in the day, from the G5 days, Shorty 187. And I recently just found out a little fun fact for you guys, what I just found out. 187 means murder. So Shorty murder is like, Shorty murder! Shorty murder!
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
But away we got no one other than the murderer, Shorty, the Shorty murderer, and the alien, the man that everyone is saying that this braai is from space, guys, the kakmaker, the treinrijder, you know, quality treinrijders, as they would say there in my school.
What are you talking about?
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
But yeah, this is a track, ne? And I won't lie to you guys, I'm gonna admit this to you guys now before I get into the reaction, because you know I don't like to already know the track when I go into the reactions. But for this, I will have to make an exception because this is a banger. This is a certified banger for the books, an unknown banger that I need you guys to recognize and get recognition on, because Shorty was an OG from back in the day that like literally disappeared from the game as a whole, and no one knew where you went, and then he came back into the scene with a whole new type of sound, with a whole new type of style, and like a whole new face and a whole new ego and a whole new everything. And it's interesting to like see this man now from back then, from his style back then and the way he was rapping to now. This is insane. It's insane to witness, ek sê. And we got a banger here, one for me. So all you girlies that's watching, just know I think I'm the one for you. I think I'm the one for you.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
But anyways, we got a banger for the books here. One for me with Shorty 187 and Ellie Joseph. Without further ado, without any hesitation, let's get into this track because I've been meaning to react to this track, ek sê. We still got Be My Queen that's still coming up. It's still in need of a reaction, so keep posted for that one. We got that one coming soon. But yeah.
Don't run away from me. Don't give your love to no one else but me. Don't
Run from me. Don't give your love to nobody but me. That is meaning don't leave me when like things get rough or things get tough. And don't leave me when you see that things aren't working out like they should for me and blah blah blah. And you shouldn't love no one else but me. Because you know I am the one for you. You are the one for me. We soulmates. So give your love to nobody but me.
Don't run away from me. Don't give your love to no one else but me. You're the one for me.
Later.
Every time I hear this man's vocals, my bro. No gayness involved in this thing that I'm about to say, but every time I hear this man's voice, my bro, I fall in love, my bro. No, but I'm single. No, but I don't have a girl or a wife or anything. This man makes me fall in love, my bro. This man's voice. Like, if I see this chick at the club, ne, this chick will look like the most ugliest thing in this club. No one is ugly by that matter. Everybody is unique in their own type. Everybody's unique in their own way. Nobody's ugly. I'm just using this as context. Everybody's beautiful. We're all beautiful God's creations. But anyways, like, I will see this cock ugly girl here in this club, ne? The ugliest girl I've ever seen in my life now. The ugliest girl I've ever seen in my life. And if this song plays, bro, and I'm looking at this girl dancing or something, I'm gonna think that this girl is the most beautiful human I've ever seen in my whole entire lifespan. Just because of this song, my bro. The way this song makes you feel inside your heart, my bro. Makes you wanna love me, bro. Yeah.
Give you everything you wanna need. You're the one for me. This is exactly how it's supposed to be. God ever answer my prayers.
Yeah, this very song even got me doing the light skin poses, you know when the light skin does a pose when the sun hits them lekker there in the afternoon side, then they all posing with their poses and blah blah blah. Feeling like those light skins now. Listen to this track, except like doing all my quotations, doing all my movements while the song is playing. Yeah.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
When I ask for you, you're the one for me. This is exactly how it's supposed to be. God ever answer my prayers, it's when I ask for you. Gave me heaven on earth, that's what I had with you.
Now listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
I take my hat off for
God answered my prayers when I asked for you. What we have is like the heavens. Sure. And who thought that singers can actually have bars? Who thought singers can actually have balls? Tell me, who thought singers can actually have balls? Sis.
way we. This exactly how it's supposed to be. If God ever answered my prayers, it's when I asked for you. Gave me heaven on earth, that's what I had with you. I take my hat off for the way we kick it. This love snap to the beat of my heart. I start a band with you. I'm such a fan of you. The sound of your voice.
I'm such a fan of you. Too. Yeah, this man's vocals is international level, bro. This man's internationally leveled vocals, bro. Fucking hell. If that's even a way to say it. Oh, wait. Yo. Now, Shorty reminds me kind of like a Neo. No, Miss Independent. He kind of reminds me of him, like his way of singing. He's like that type of style of singing, but like in his own way, in his own way. But I fuck with this man. Just man. Oh my god! Wow! Hey, Shorty, you a goat, my bro. You a fucking goat.
Became my favorite tune. To love you for life is what I plan to do. You're my trap queen, I'll keep it fatty walk with you. This what dreams.
You my trap queen, I keep it fairy walk with you. So if you don't know the song Trap Queen by Fetty Wap, go listen to the track, ne? And go listen to the rhymes and like the bars in that track. And then come replay this specific part of this track after you listen to that and just click what he means by that. Was damn.
Made of this that fairy tale love. I know that you've been hurt in the past. I got you taped up. I'm just trying to give you.
That's one thing I know. That fairy tale love me, bro.
A few moments later.
Where in this day and generation do we have that real genuine type of love like they have in the storybooks and the fairy tale movies and shit? Where in this lifetime, in this day and age, do you see that shit? In this day and age, where you see real love in the air. Not fake love because this person wants to be with this person for the money, or because this person's famous now you also want to juggle fame or something. Yo, fuck with this.
All that I have, just as long as you give me a chance. Don't run away from me. Don't give your love into no one else but me. Don't.
A few moments later.
My apologies for the inconvenience. I just had a phone call that came up, so my apologies about that. But I'm still back where I left off, so let's get into it like we never left.
Run away from me. Don't give your love into no one else but me. You're the one for me. Give you everything you wanna need. You're the one for me. This is exactly how it's supposed to be.
This is exactly how it's supposed to be, you and me. You know, like you said, you're the one for me. So it's supposed to be like this. You and me together, it's how it's supposed to be, how God put it to be. I'm not sure if you guys is watching this know about Greek mythology, but in Greek mythology, I'm not sure what the name of this is, but in Greek mythology, they speak about that like soulmates or one person. In Greek mythology book, you will see this woman with 4 legs and 4 arms and 2 heads and 2 hearts. Now, those are the soulmates, and they attach to something called a string. Can't remember what the string is called, but that person with the 4 legs and 4 arms and 2 heads are separated into 2 people. One person separated into 2 people that are the soulmates, the female and the male. you and your macho, you and your wife, your soulmate. And when those two are together clicked, and then you will find if that person is truly one with you, like soul connected with you. And that's what this bra is like bedoeling here in this thing, man. I fuck with it.
T-Dog. Hy sê boertjie hy nie, hy sê kalle daai my bro.
I've had tough times towards die sang gewees.
Whoa. I wasn't expecting you to come in yet, my bro. I was still like having my, like, building myself up to hear Ellie Joseph, because the rumors have been going around that Ellie Joseph is like getting influenced here a little bit by Shorty, that he's actually upgrading his skill and actually working on his craft, say. So, yeah, let's hear if this man is actually getting better with his rapping and his like singing skills and shit. Let's see if he's actually getting better. I will be honest on my opinion about this, because me, I'm an honest reactor. If your thing is cuck, I'm gonna say you cuck, but I won't discriminate you. I will show you and tell you where you can improve and where you can get better. But I will.
I've had tough times towards die sang gewees.
It was tough times when you weren't together. Facts.
Ons liefde het me amper nou gefade away. Maar ek het vir myself gesê ek wil forever mee op lyn. Sy het my nie towards die sang gewees.
Okay. From that old type of shit we heard from Ellie Joseph. Ek kakmaak. That kakmaker. I see that kakmaker is calmed down a bit, ek sê. That mal is calmed down a bit. But I'm not gonna lie, ne? Ellie Joseph, your voice is still a bit like scratchy and shit, ne? You can still work on like getting that raspy voice and making it with your sound that you are projecting. There's a way you can work with that, ne? With your raspy voice and your sound. But do it in a way that is going to make the person actually want to listen because you're good, not just because you're famous and known for malkak. But Joseph, I believe in you, bro. Ellie, you got potential, bro. You got mad potential. You just need to work on it, my bro. And I'm glad that you linked with this OG Shorty and he's been hopping on tracks with you and shit. Hopefully you can get influenced and also get your style to, it's like top performance, bro. Because once you do that, my bro, it's game over for the industry, go.
Ons liefde het me amper nou gefade away. Maar ek het vir myself gesê ek wil forever mee op lyn. Sy het my nie van 'n paar en sy so oulik soos jammer. Ek laat staan saam met jou en laat saam met jou. Let's get it on. Ek het vir jou dit vir my. Ek het vir jou dit vir my. Ek het vir jou dit vir my. Saam met jou sal ek staan. Ik zou alles doen voor jou, ik invest in jou. Al die jaren heeft ik klaar gezien dat je de one for me. Wat gaan ons vanavond maken? Wat gaan ons morgen?
For how many years I've known that you're the one for me. For al die jaren I've known that you're the one for me. Is ja.
Maken wat van die weekend. Ik een zippie van niggas in love. You're the one for me. Give you everything you wanna need. You're the one for me. This is exactly how it's supposed to be. You're the one for me. Give you everything you need. You're the one for me. This is exactly how it's supposed to be.
A few moments later.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me. Here too much raining.
Yo, Shorty. Shorty, you are gonna break records this year, buddy. Brother, I'm facing you now straight, my bro. You're going to break records this year. I'm facing you that now straightforward, bro. You're gonna break records this year. Your style of your singing and the lyrics that you use and like the messages in your track is something that each and every single body in this whole entire South Africa can feel, my bro. Everybody in South Africa can feel this message that you're getting across here with Ellie Joseph. And I fucked with that you put Ellie Joseph on and kind of helped his pen skill game. And I fuck with it. I fuck with it that you becoming like a mentor, I think. I'm not sure if you are or not, but you becoming like a mentor, bro, with Ali Joseph, and I fuck with it. I fuck with it. But yeah, damn, that was a beautiful track. One for me. I'm so disappointed that this thing has only got 1.4k views because I really feel like this thing deserves more streams than any other like R&B track that's like now trending and shit. No offense to any other artists. All the artists are good in South Africa. You guys just a lot of artists are good in South Africa, but a lot of you just need to work on a few touch-ups on your skill or production or something. But one for me should be radio played. This and Be My Queen should be radio played. These are phenomenal bangers. These are literally bangers for the books, literally certified bangers for the books. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna leave the link of this in my description below for you guys to check out. And some I'm gonna leave Be My Queen in the description below because that thing also needs and deserves a listen. So please go check it out. And if any of you artists that's watching this would like me to promote your music or promote your business or react to your music video or audio that's out on YouTube, please leave the link of the video in the comment sections below so I can check it out and give you a reaction because we're all here to build each other up. You guys are building me up by watching me and subscribing to my channel and supporting and giving a like. And I'm helping you guys build by giving you guys a platform on my channel to put on all the unknown artists and all the artists that want a reaction or want their voice out there. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? This channel is basically just for all you artists watching this. This is for you. I created this channel for you, so let me help you. Let me help you help me. Oh wait, but yeah, that was definitely a banger for the books. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. And stay tuned for the next one because we're dropping more bangers. So turn those notifications on. And comment what was your favorite bar. And what do you think about Ali Joseph's verse in here, man? Do you think this man actually is improving his skill? Let me know what you guys think about that. But yeah, that was D-Rock, the GOAT. Bruh.